Good morning, it's Tony at Smart Motors on Odana Road. Here's the car of the day. This is a 2015 Hyundai Elantra SE in a dark or a raven black color. You can see it has alloy wheels all the way around, four-wheel disc brakes, and anti-lock brakes as well. This 2015 Elantra has just 30,000, well, I want to say 700 miles on it. So real low on miles. And you can see it does have the full carpeted floor mats in the back, and that is a fold down seat, 60/40 fold down. Notice the body is in very good shape. There's no major dents or dings. So if you're looking for a used car that's been well cared for and can provide you with a lot of room to grow, this is the one. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, starting off, you'll see we have all of the owner's booklets are here. We've got the remote keyless entry, and I believe we have 2 of those. Here's your center stack. I did note here that it has a backup camera, CD player, MP3 jacks. It is an automatic. There's lots of outlets in here. There's one in here, there's another one over here. Nice size glove box. Cup holders, and the center armrest slides forward, and it also opens up. You see the seats are in great shape. These are a dark gray cloth. You got cup holders on the doors, power windows, power door locks. Here in the back seat we've got folding armrests with cup holders, of course 3 seat belts. Here in the driver's cockpit, we've got controls for your sound system, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and your trip controls. Great instrumentation, really sharp, nice to look at.